Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do a station offset in Microsurvey's FieldGenius. So I'm going to use a line or a line between 2 points, and I'm going to create a new point either along that line or offset from that line. So I'm on my main menu screen here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to head to the survey screen here. I can also access this through the calculations there at the bottom, but once I have my survey screen open, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the calculator. That's going to bring up all my calculation options, and then, as I mentioned, and the title of this video is so aptly named, I'm going to choose the station/offset option, which is going to bring up my stationing menu here. And what I'm going to need to do is I'm going to need to create the line that I'm going to be doing my offset or my stationing along. So in this case, I'm going to go from point 2 as my start point to an end point of point number 3. And you can see here I've got a nice dotted line running between those 2 points. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to set a station roughly halfway between my 2 points. In my case, my line's about 150 meters long, so I'm going to set my station about 75 meters up along that line. If I wanted my point to be on the line, I can hit the plus button to store it now. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to create an offset line. In this case, I'm going to set an offset of a meager 10 meters. So I'm going to type in 10 here. You can see that my point is now moved off to the left of my line. Obviously, if I went minus 10, it would move the other direction to the opposite side of the line. And what I'm going to do is if I hit that plus button, it's going to bring me to my new point screen with the coordinates that I have calculated and the next available point ID, or however I have my point ID system set up. I'm then going to leave it as 7 and hit save here, and you can see I now have a new point created in between points 2 and 3 and offset 10 meters to the east. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you use Microsurvey's FieldGenius for Android to perform a stationing offset. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.